My family loves when I make my oven-roasted chicken with potatoes for Sunday supper. Add Yukon Gold potatoes to a large bowl. Drizzle in half of the olive oil. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chicken seasoning. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel. Drizzle the remaining olive oil on your chicken and rub well. Sprinkle chicken seasoning on all sides and rub to evenly coat. Be sure to place seasoning underneath the chicken skin for extra flavor. Place a quartered onion, lemon wedges, and garlic inside of the cavity of the bird. Place the wings under the chicken to avoid burning. Tie both legs together with cooking twine. Toss your seasoned diced potatoes around the chicken. Roast for 1 hour. The size of the bird may change roasting time. At the end of cooking, broil for around 3 minutes until the skin is golden and crispy. Remove from the oven and allow the chicken to rest for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. You can find more easy Sunday dinner ideas on our website.